Hello world! Today, I will show you some ways you can do to earn money online. Enjoy watching! Data entry. Digital marketing. Online tutoring. Content writing. Photo editing. Online selling. Always remember to build a strong online presence. Create quality contents, learn the basics of search engine optimization to improve the visibility of your content, diversify income streams, invest in education, create a network, be patient and persistent, have customer focus, consider legal compliance to continue your online activities. Good luck to your endeavors in the coming years.
Thank you, my future shines so bright.